I got good at saying I'm alright, good at disappearing in plain sight. I wear a smile like armor on my face, so nobody knows how much it takes. I show up, I laugh, I play my part, while the whole world is falling in my heart. You only know the version that I let you see. You don't know what it costs to be me, so don't mistake my silence for peace. Some words don't ever make the news, and just because I'm standing here doesn't mean I never had to lose. You never see the battles underneath, the nights I fight just to survive, the tears I hide behind my eyes. You never know how far a broken heart can go. I look okay, but look again. Some people smile through everything, or you never see the battles you never see. Never see what's underneath. Never see Never see the battles you never see. There's a stranger crying in a parked car, someone wondering how they this far. There's a mother saying we'll be fine, while she's breaking where the children can't find. There's somebody sleeping next to someone gone, still reaching to their side before the dawn. A million silent stories in these city streets, a million hidden wars in everyone we meet. So don't mistake their silence for peace. Some wounds are deeper than they look. Every heart is carrying pages from a chapter you never read. You never see the battles underneath, the nights we fight just to survive, the tears we hide behind our eyes. You never know how far a broken heart can go. We look okay, but look again. Some people smile through everything, or you never see the battles you never see. Never see what's underneath. What if the strongest one you know is tired of being strong? What if the one who saves everybody has needed saving all along? What if I'm okay is the hardest lie to say? Would you hold them a little closer if you knew what they faced every day? So be kind, you don't know who went through hell just to make it home. Be kind, you don't know some of the deepest pain will never show. You never see the battles underneath, the nights we fought just to stay alive, the 1,000 times we nearly lost the light. You never know how far a wounded soul can go. We look okay, but look again. We're all surviving something. Oh, the battles you never see. Never see what's underneath. Never see what's underneath. Never see the battles you never see. So if you meet me with a smile, stay for a little while. There may be more behind these eyes than I'll ever let you see. The battles you never see.